This question is strictly palindromic number, so you give it an integer n, and for every base b between 2 to n minus 2 inclusive, and the string representation of integer n in base b is palindromic. So given the integer n, you want to return true or false. Okay, so let's look at this. So what you should do is don't worry about how I resolve it. You need to break it down. So first of all, you want to make sure you have a method checking is current num is palindromic, and also since it's integer, right, you will have to convert to binary. So one is checking is palindromic, and the other one is converting to the binary. Combine them, and then you can get the pretty straightforward big picture. So in high level, it's like that. So let's see. Oh, and let's see. So I'm going to say private int array, and I'm say 2 base. I give it an n and also in base. So the idea is I keep dividing my n with the base. So the base can be 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will still remain the same. So I'm using a linked list or anything like this array, doesn't matter. The reason why I'm using the linked list is because I don't know, linked list, I don't know whether or not how many digits I'm going to add. So at the end, I'm going to say restore the toString map to int, just converting that to array. So just converting the list of integer to an array, and while the n greater than 0, I will do the result adding in the beginning. This is how you're supposed to be, and then mod by 10, and then n divided by base. Actually, it's not mod by 10; it's actually mod by the base, right? So n is based on the mod by the base, and then you add whatever the remainder into the result, and then keep appending. And then another one is called boolean is palindromic, and then you're gonna have a num, and then since we will take list, so it has to be an array. And then what we should do, we have I equals 0 and j equal to n minus num sub length minus 1. And then where I less than j, and I increment j decrement, and I will return true if they are breaking out the while loop, and I will return false if they are not equal. As nums that's not equal to, and then afterward I will do the for loop traversal to n minus 2, and then I greater equal than 1, I minus minus. So n minus 2, and n, 2 is right here, so it should be, I equal to 2. It doesn't matter. And then it is not palindromic. So I need to take in array, right? In array is from 2 base. So 2 base. So I pass in the n, I pass in the I in here. So I looks like a base, right? So I would probably say 2 over here. And then if they are not palindromic, I will return false. If they are palindromic, I will return true. Let's see, do I have any problem here? Oh. Yeah. So now let's think about another scenario. What happens if this for loop is increment? So if I equal to 2, I less than minus, it has to be minus 2, right? Let's see. Yes. So let's see. Still remain the same. So let's talk about time and space. So this is all of n. N represents this one. Is palindromic right here. That is going to be log based on the nums, and the nums is going to be the length of the nums array. and the 2 base is going to be representing this one. That will definitely depending on this one. It's still going to be log base based on the base. Okay, so log b, and this will be log m, and this is and this will be all of n. So yeah, you do the calculation yourself. So there's one quick solution. You probably need a math to prove it. So if everything n is greater or equal than 4, it is not possible to become a palindromic. It has to be 0. This has to be 0. If this is 1, 0, 0, right? Then like there's no way like this is a palindromic, right? So you can actually return false right here. Ignore everything that you read. This is like constant for time, constant for space. So ideal solution is this, the one you implement the method, and then reality is actually this. So yeah, that's pretty much the solution. Alright, see you.